Oh hi, yes, these are a few of my muskets from my gun collection. I have several others which I'll showcase, but these three are all French, or all French influenced. These are Charleville type muskets. The one here on the bottom, this is actually an Italian made Charleville. Okay, it's a Paprika in Torino. This is probably Napoleonic period. Or maybe a bit later, 1820s. It's made to standard Charleville specifications. Very handsome musket. Lovely wood. I'm not sure what that is, pre-walnut. This is a flintlock mechanism here. You've got cock squirt, and that's it. This one in the centre, this is actually a reproduction, I think, or a replica of a possibly Russian musket, a Russian percussion musket. So this is more sort of thing that had been used in the Crimean War. There are no markings on it, so I assume it's a replica. Quite an old one there, I think. It's very nice, and it's lovely. Got brass bands on it, which is typically Russian. And at the very top, this is a French model 1842 percussion musket. This one was made at Saint-Étienne. So this could have also well seen use in both the Crimean War and the American Civil War. There's many thousands of these that were imported into the US. So it's got that very traditional French Charleville musket band, which is the same in all three of these muskets. Yeah, so they're all very attractive pieces, but this one is certainly the oldest, and certainly the most has most value. I mean, yes, it's I'd say about 600 for this, 700. This is definitely the most historically interesting one. That's a Fabricada in Torino. Anyway, thanks for watching.